Hello everyone. So today topic is how to find the supply and demand zones, mark your POI and order blocks perfectly. So if you don't know about these topics, please watch the video till then. I can bet you that it will be very beneficial for you and it will help you in any way, right? So let's start the video without wasting no time. So while marking your POI or order blocks, first thing you have to keep in mind there should be an imbalance, right? If there is no imbalance, there is no sense that to uh, select that zone as your POI or the order block, right? That zone should create imbalance or inefficiency. There should be an inefficiency between the candles, right? So leave the zones that do not have the imbalance or the inefficiency. Why? Because your stop loss will get hit, right? So this is the first criteria before marking the POI or the order block. So second thing is liquidity sweep. So what is the liquidity sweep? Let me tell you here. I have made a video on the imbalance. If you don't know about the imbalance, please watch the video. I can put you in the I button, right? You can watch the video here and get to know about how what is imbalance, right? So now let's talk about liquidity sweep. So liquidity sweep is, let's assume market is in a bullish trend, right? And market is moving something like this. And here what happen is market making break of structure from here, right? So actually this is a single leg, right? This is not a break of structure. But what people doing wrong is they marking this as a break of structure. But in reality, this is just a single leg, right? And now what happen is they mark this as a demand zone, right? Many of you guys have been doing same like this, right? You marking this as your demand zone, and what happen is, sorry, and what happen is market come to your demand zone, mitigate your demand zone, show some reaction and then go to the downside. Why this happen? Because there is no liquidity to the upside or the downside. And while selecting your this zone as your demand zone, you will become the liquidity, right? So don't choose the zones that do not have the liquidity, or the zones that do not create liquidity sweep, right? If like market moves something like this, let me tell you, if there is no liquidity, right? Let's assume this zone is already mitigated, right? This zone is already mitigated, and if there is no liquidity and market is coming something like this, now what will you do? You will wait for this price to be tapped out and then go to the upside and then mitigate this zone. No, this is the wrong thing people are doing, and then they have been waiting from so long to tap in their zones, right? So don't do this mistake. Let me tell you how it could be done. So market can behave something like this. Market can move something like this, sweep this liquidity. Wait, market behave something like this, mitigate your demand zone, but candle closes above the zone and then move something like this. So this is a liquidity sweep, right? So you can take when market closes above this zone and the candle closes above this zone, right? So you can take trade to this zone and set your stop loss just below the zone, right? So this is a liquidity sweep. I will tell you in the entry types how you can take these sniper entries while trading live, right? So now let's move to third criteria, that is a break of structure. So what is a break of structure? So I have told you in this video, some people know, some people, 90% of people in while trading in the SMC concept, they marking this as a break of structure, right? But actually this is not a break of structure. You can only consider break of structure while market take recent high or low. When market take this low, you can mark this as your demand zone, and this will surely work as a demand zone. But if market doesn't uh, sweep the last recent low or high, you can't consider any zone as your break of structure, right? And some people also make this mistake. Wait, just wait. They like this. They marking this as a break of structure. Like if market take this decent low, and this becomes your demand zone, right? And they what they're doing is they mark this as a change of character, and now they're making a break of structure like this. But actually, this is a break of structure. This is your strong high, right? Sorry, weak high, right? So until or unless this weak high doesn't get tapped out, do not don't trade, right? Don't consider any zone as your break of structure. Break of structure will only be considered when this zone will be tapped out, right? When this zone get break. So these are three criteria that you have to keep in mind while selecting POI or the order blocks, right? Don't select any POI order blocks that doesn't have the imbalance or haven't created liquidity sweep or the break of structure or the zone that hasn't break any structure, right? So I hope it will surely help you while doing trading, right? So please subscribe the channel and like the video and share it to your friends, and comment any video you would like me to upload in the future, right? If you have any doubt, please ask me. I will clear doubts of everyone, right? Thanks guys for watching this video.